Hello and welcome to one more tutorial. This one is how you can start trading. The previous one I have sent 0.001 Bitcoin to a username. Now I'm gonna log in with that username and we're gonna see that the username received it. And we're gonna start trading. So it's very simple. If you put some Bitcoins inside your account, all you need to do is go to operate, and then you see the amount is already there available, and then I click on start. That's all you need to do to start operating. Let's say you want to activate the binary for the top account. This is an account that is connected directly to another one. So once you start operating on both sides, at least one account, that's when your binary will be activated. And that's it. That's all you need to do to start operating. If you have two accounts under your main one, you need to do this for every account. Thank you.